Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to adjust video speed using Adobe Premiere Pro. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel to stay updated. So here I have two video clips added to video track 1. I'm going to play these clips and show you the original speed. Okay, so that's the original speed of the clips. And now if I want to adjust the speed of this first clip here, I'm going to right click on the clip, navigate to speed/duration. And in this window here, the default speed is 100. So if I adjust it to 200, and also make sure you tick this ripple edit, just to make sure it shifts trailing clips together, click OK. And now if I replay, this entire clip is going to be in fast motion. Okay. And if I right click on this second clip, go to speed duration, and change it to anything below 100. So that's going to be in slow motion. Click OK. And now this video is going in slow motion. Okay. Now if I go back to defaults, Control Z twice. Okay. There is an alternative way of how you can adjust video speed manually, which is if you navigate over the third tool here on the list, which is Ripple Edit Tool. Now left click and hold until you see this little menu popping up, and then in the menu select Rate Stretch Tool. Okay, once you select this Rate Stretch Tool, you can navigate over your videos again, select the edge of the video, left click and drag it, let's say to the left. So now I'm making this video clip fast motion, or I can left click on this video clip here and drag it to the right like this. And now I'm making this slow motion manually. And as you can see in the brackets here, I can see the percentage that I set it to. So it's now at 73%, which is below 100, meaning it's at slow motion. But the only issue with this method is that you can't really see the number whilst you drag the clip. You can only see once you complete dragging. So here, this clip is now at 122, meaning it's going to be a little faster than the original speed of 100. Okay, and this is it guys. I hope this is useful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe this channel, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.